Morning, welcome to the gym. We are out here on a Wednesday morning. It's our active rest day. So active rest day, we're taking a break from the weights and we're doing a stretch routine. So we're doing something, and once we get the stretch routine done, head out on a walk, probably be a walk jog, and come back and chat. So the stretch routine is a 7-move Pilates routine. It's called Flex Your Torso, and the synopsis or focus, it says it is in there, is to, like, there's a neck pull where you're kind of like a roll up, except you're pulling got your hands behind your head, and it's called neck pull. I don't think you truly pull on your neck, but you come down and elbows to your knees. You know, you do a roll up and then elbows to your knees. And the idea, it says, is to get the bones, like your hips, closer to your leg bones. I'm not sure what that means, but we're going to get a good, I know, lower back and hamstring stretch out of that move for sure. But there's other torso moves like the flexions. The flexions are really good. I get a good stretch all the way down my side, especially in the obliques and all in that area when I do those flexions. And anyway, so the kind of a roll up, the neck pull. There's a glute bridge that we have, and so that'll get us a good stretch. So like I say, 7 moves, takes about 5-6 minutes, and get that done. Get out on the walk jog and come on back and we'll chat. So nothing to it but to get this done. And welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. Let's do it. Let's get this longevity training done. We'll hit it. All right, active rest day workout is done. So the flex your torso went well. Like I say, those lateral flexions felt really good, and I still know, man, at the very last, when I'm doing the last neck pull, that last move, after doing the rolling, I think I'm getting a pretty good ab workout out of that, because that neck pull, it's hard. I can't hardly get my abs to get myself up with my hands behind my head. I have to use my momentum from my hands to start my lift. So I'm gonna keep doing that until I can get more, or definitely the ab burner, can continue doing that till I can make it through all the flex your torso routine all the way to the end and be able to do those neck pulls. Yeah, that's something. So anyway, yeah, that went well. Got a good stretch out of it. Like I say, especially those lateral flexions. Good oblique stretch, feels good. Of course, the hamstring stretch with the neck pull, all that, and lower back. Yeah, get you all loosened up and ready for the walk jog. So yeah, on the walk jog, not quite as far. Decided on the walk jog days to keep it at the 160 range instead of, I've been slowly creeping it out again, folks. You know how I am, completely competitive. I went this far today, let's go another reflector. So I count, I go count how many reflectors past the last. There's a yellow sign that says there's a curve ahead, and I usually go 1 reflector past that. That's where I started. And then I started going 2 reflectors past that, and then I started going 3, then I started going 4, then I started going 5, and before I knew it, I was in the 170, 1.7 plus miles instead of 1.5 plus miles. So anyway, I shortened that back down on my walk. On my walk days, maybe I'll do that, but on my walk jog days, gonna continue the 1.5s, you know, turn around 1 reflector past the turn sign. So anyway, and I just now turned my watch off, so I don't know what my timing was. I know when I looked at it after my last jog, I was in the low 12s, so I'll have to look at it in the house. So that's a bummer. Hate it when I do that. So anyway, got it all done, ready to head on in the house, get all the things done, get the work day started. Got about 1 more day of work, got today and tomorrow, and then I'll be off for 3 weeks. Yeah, so I don't know what I'll do for 3 weeks, but taking off, so you know, it's a good thing. Get some rest in. I'm sure we're gonna go somewhere. We've kind of got an idea where, but not sure yet. But you know, always taking off. You work hard to take off, a little bit extra, get stuff caught up and kind of in line before you go off work, and then you come back and you get punished for being off work by having to catch up for the next 2 or 3 weeks. Man, it's almost a bummer. Almost a bummer. It stresses me out a little bit. But anyway, yeah, nothing like being stressed out when you got to take off. So, but that's the way it is. That's the way it is. It puts food on the table, so I keep on doing it. Keep on doing it. Gotta eat and drink, folks. Gotta do it. So, not complaining, just saying. All right, anyway, we'll let you guys go. You guys have a great Wednesday. Let's get up over this hump and get on the downhill side. Let's do this. This is Sojourner Vision. You guys get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace, folks. Go do it. All right, we'll see you later. You guys take care. Be safe.